Good evening, MMC family. Tonight, we celebrate both transition and triumph, the oath-taking ceremonies and our victory party. And yes, tonight, we celebrate not just the oath-taking, but a legacy continued, a service accepted, and a future envisioned. May I invite you all to stand and begin our event in a spirit of gratitude and reverence, in a heartfelt doxology to be rendered by Coro Josefino, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Miss Janelle R. Neri.
Ilagay po natin ang ating kanang kamay sa ating mga dibdib at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang magiling, perlas ng sinangalan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting sa manlulupit. Di ka pasisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoya, sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw na kailan pag may di magtitilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, po'y langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya naman may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you, everyone. You may now be seated. Muli, isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. On behalf of the organizing committee and the NMC alumni community, I warmly welcome you all to our oath-taking ceremonies and Victory Party 2025. Tonight is a celebration of service, unity, and new beginnings. We gather not only to formally recognize our newly elected alumni officers, but also to honor the dedication of those who have served before them. It is a moment of gratitude, transition, and joy. You can expect an evening filled with meaningful moments, from the solemnity of the oath-taking to inspiring messages, entertainment and recognitions, and of course, a well celebration of our collective efforts and achievements. That being said, everyone, let us give ourselves a round of applause for being part of this remarkable journey. Palakpak naman po dyan. Dahil tayo po ay parte nitong ating kaganapan ngayong gabi. Also, for everyone's information, our event tonight is covered live by Marinduque News. Alright? So to all our alumni who are streaming in their homes, okay, and anywhere in the world, binabati po namin kayong lahat mula dito sa aming mahal na Marinduque Midwest College. And just to make it a bit fun, para po sa ating mga alumni, kung nanonood kayo ngayon dyan sa inyong tahanan or anywhere in the part of the world, please comment nyo naman po kung saan kayo nanonood na lugar, and comment din kung anong batch po kayo. Seryoso po yun, naka-live po tayo. Ayan, pakishare na rin po sa inyong mga ka-batchmate na hindi naka-attend para naman napapanood nila tayo dito sa ating event tonight. Alright, everybody, so sit back, enjoy the program, and celebrate this milestone with your fellow alumni. Welcome, and let's make this night unforgettable. At this point, we will honor the efforts and achievements of individuals who have contributed greatly to the success of our alumni initiatives. Let us begin with the recognition of the Alumni Logo Making Contest as we honor those who participated in the competition. May I invite the head of the Technical Working Group, Mrs. Will Grace Maglalang, for the giving of certificates. Palakpakan naman po. Para boy. To all our participants who are with us tonight, please come on stage as I call your name. Kung wala naman po sila dito, may we request their batchmates or any representative from their batch to receive their certificate. First, allow me to read the citation. Certificate of participation is presented to of batch for joining the Alumni Logo competition given this 9th June 2025 at the Marinduque Midwest College Auditorium by Mrs. Will Grace Maglalang and Mrs. Helen S. Linesis. Please receive your certificate of recognition, Mr. Da of batch 1996. Miss Lida M. Salcedo of Batch 1974. Miss Diane Nicole Villaruel of Batch 2018. Miss Larry Zaira Sanjago of Batch 21. And of course, the winner of our competition, Mr. Francisco C. Mantaring Jr.
So maraming salamat po. Let's give a round of applause for the winner, no? Dennis Mantaring. Salamat po.
I thank you, Ma'am Willa, and congratulations once again to all the participants and winner. We would also like to extend our deepest gratitude to our outgoing alumni officers who have served with dedication and heart. May I invite Ms. Jamie Rose Mendoza, Board of Trustees and HR Officer of MMC for the giving of certificates. To our outgoing alumni officers, please come on stage as I call your name. Allow me to read the citation first. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to, in gratitude to his dedicated leadership and service as of the 2015 Alumni Officers of Marinduque Midwest Alumni Association. His commitment, passion, and contributions have significantly strengthened our alumni community and upheld the values of our alma mater. Given this 9th day of June 2025 at Marinduque Midwest College Auditorium, signed Ms. Jamie Rose R. Mendoza. Palakpak naman po. For our first certificate, for Captain Rolando O. Tolentino. In absentia po. Mr. Venus Adonis, as the Vice President of Marinduque. Mrs. Marilyn T. Del Mundo, Vice President of Manila. Ms. Dr. Catherine S. Asuncion, Vice President, Secretary. Thank you, Doc Kate. Josephine Laderas, Treasurer. Alexandros Iturralde, Board Member. Bethoven Arevalo, Board Member. Lenny Lecaros, Board Member. Sonia Advincola Soto, Board Member. Once again, Mrs. Sonia Soto, Board Member. Mr. Hilarion Cruz, Board Member. Mrs. Irene Duguan, Board Member. Ma Maria Teresa Laguno, Board Member. Thank you, Ms. Jamie, and once again, thank you to our outgoing alumni officers. At this point, to add more color and soul to our evening, we bring you a special guest performer. She has been a favorite voice in events and continues to share her talent with grace and passion. Please welcome the ever-talented civil engineering student at Marinduque State University, Ms. Janelle R. Neri. Once again, a round of applause for Ms. Janelle R. Neri.
And good evening po sa ating lahat. Good evening po sa mga teachers at saka sa mga umattend po. Ayan. Kuya, medyo pakalakasan lang po ng konti, medyo mahina po eh. Para medyo live, kahit ano lang yung kanta natin, nasa middle, ano. Hindi masyadong masaya. Gusto kitang isayaw na mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw na mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw na mabagal. Ito na ang kantang hinihintay natin. Ito na pagkakataon sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman ng puso ko. Matagal na gustong sabihin ko. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ilalagay ang iyong kamay sa aking bewang. Isasabay sa tugtog na kanta ating gagawan. At dahan-dahang magdidikit ating mga balat. Matagal ko na gustong sabihin ito. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Pag natapos na ang pagkakataon at wala na ang musika, dahan-dahan ka lang ang kapela sa iyong tenga at nananawin natin ang pagsasama. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng Ayan. Konting palakpakan naman dyan pampagana para sa ating last song. Ayan, mag-last song po muna tayo kasi babalik tayo mamaya. Ito na naman ako, nagkabang-bang sa istorya ko. Ulit-ulit na lang Kahit pilipin pang sarili, ibigin ka mali, parang mali, parang mali. Paano bang magmahal, palagi bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal, kailangan bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Kailan ba ang tamang panahon? Kailan ba magkakataon? Malayo na ang puso mo at puso ko. Paano bang magmahal, palagi bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal, kailangan bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko lang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal, kailangan bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, lagi na lang di maaari. Umiiyak na lang palagi, lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Ayan, thank you po. Balik po tayo mamaya. Ayan. Enjoy the night po.
Thank you, Miss Janelle. Ganun din po kaganda yung boses ko dati nung medyo hindi ako nahamugan. Kaso nahamugan po ako. Joke. Okay po. So with every new chapter comes a symbolic handover. Let us witness the turnover ceremony. May I invite Mrs. Helen Lineses, representative of the outgoing officers, to pass the key of leadership to the new leaders. May I also invite Dr. Villaluz Pahilagmago, representative of the new set of officers, to accept the key of leadership. A round of applause, please.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. As representative po ng mga outgoing officers, andito po ako sa harapan ninyo ngayon upang ilipat ang aming mga responsibilidad sa mga bagong halal na mga officers. Ang susi na ito ang simbolo ng pagpasa ng outgoing officers sa bagong halal na officers ng mga tungkulin at responsibilidad sa pangangalaga at kapakanan at pagpapatibay sa samahan natin at mga ka-alumni, ang MMC at ang bayan ng Gasan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan ng bagong halal na mga opisyales ng Alumni MMC, aking tinatanggap at papahalagahan ang iniatang ninyong tungkulin at responsibilidad sa pangangalaga ng kapakanan at pagpapatibay sa samahan natin at mga ka-alumni, ang MMC at ang bayan natin. Thank you po ulit.
Thank you, Ma'am Helen. Thank you, Doc V. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the formal presentation of our newly elected alumni officers. To lead this may I call on Mrs. Will Grace P. Maglalang, Head of the Technical Working Group.
Hello po. Okay po, magkakitan lahat. Okay. Dini po ay sa table na to. Pakisabi, yes? Anong hina? Kulang pa sa kain. Doon po sa dulo. Yes, very nice. Ang galing na 64. Dini po naman ay. Dini po. Yes, thank you. So magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga panauhin, at syempre sa ating mga ka-alumni. Diba? Okay. At sana po, maya-maya, ay dumating rin si Carlo, si MP, si May, si Maria Clara, at sino pa po? Si Alfonso. Kilala niyo po yun? Yes, okay. Salamat sa suporta ng ating mga ka-alumni at sa pamunuan at staff ng Marinduque Midwest College. Dahil dito, tayo ay nakapag-elect ng mga bagong officers natin na ipepresent natin tonight. Mula po sa higit 1,000 na votes na galing po sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo, totoo yon, no etching, ay marami po ang nag-online voting, no? So, ibig sabihin, nagiging digital na po kitang lahat. Di po ba? O, palakpak naman tayo dyan. Yes. So, high-tech na po tayo. Okay? At ngayon po, ipapakilala ko na sa inyo ang mga magigiting at matatapang nating mga bagong alumni officers. Matatapang dahil sabi nga po nila, this is not a job for the faint-hearted. Tama po? Okay, yes. So, eto na po sila. We will start from our Ingat Yaman. Okay? Ang ating bagong Ingat Yaman or treasurer ay mula sa batch 1993. Si Ma'am Pamela Semilia Pastoral or kilala sa tawag na Pam. Sino po ang mga taga 1993 dito? Si Ma'am Pam lang? Okay. Ma'am Pam, kindly go up the stage. Ang ating bagong kalihim o secretary ay mula naman sa batch 1977. Uy, 77 po ba kayo? Yes. Si Ma'am Marisa Manawag Zuleta. Ma'am, kindly go up the stage. Ang ating bagong VP International ay mula sa batch 1981. Siya po ay nakabase sa Kansas City, USA. Si Florelie Palomares Jackson. Is Florelie online? Yes. Galing. We will attempt to do a virtual oath-taking with her later. So, kasi digital na tayo, di ba? Okay, thank you. At ang ating bagong VP Manila ay mula sa batch 1987. Mildred Sales Raquenio. Ang ating bagong VP Marinduque ay mula sa batch 1990. Siya po ang dating VP International. Si Ma'am Catherine Santic Asuncion or kilala po sa tawag na Ma'am or Doc Kate. Or President ay mula sa batch 1977. Si Ma'am Villaluz Villaruel Pahilag Mago or kilala sa tawag na Ma'am Luz or Doc Luz. Yan, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin ang bagong set ng ating alumni officers. May I call on Miss Jamie Rose Mendoza, member of the Board of Trustees and HR Officer of Marinduque Midwest College, to administer the oath to the new set of alumni officers.
Magandang gabi po. I am representing the chairman of the board and the president of Marinduque Midwest College, Attorney Milton V. Mendoza. Simulan na po natin. Itaas po ang inyong kanang kamay. Panunumpa ng alumni. Please repeat after me. Ako, pangalan. Ay nangangako na tutuparin sa abot ng aking makakaya ang aking tungkulin bilang posisyon ng Marinduque Midwest College Alumni Association. Sisikapin ko na mapabuti ang kalagayan ng aking mga ka-alumni, mapatibay ang relasyon ng mga alumni sa ating alma mater, Marinduque Midwest College, at sa paggabay ng mission, vision ng ating alma mater, ay maging daan sa pagbabago ng bayan. So help me God.
Harap naman po kayo sa likuran. Ayan. Thank you again, Miss Jamie, and congratulations po to our new set of officers. Palakpakan naman po. Ayan. Okay. Nagulat po kayo sa paputok, bongga. Alright po. So to inspire and guide us as we move forward, please welcome our newly elected Alumni President, Dr. Villaluz Pahilagmago, for a special message.
Parang ang tahimik niyo po. A pleasant evening to everyone. To the Board of Trustees and HR Officer of the Marinduque Midwest College, Miss Jamie Rose Mendoza. To our Technical Working Group or our TWG, headed by Mrs. Will Grace Maglalang. Babanggitin ko na rin po yung magigiting na kasama niya, Sir Nikon. Taas ang kamay, Sir Nikon. Si Ma'am Connie, I think na-chat around. Ma'am Rachel, Ma'am Apple, and Sir Jejumar. Yan po yung mga bionic man and woman, Wonder Woman, etc. Nagdahil sa kanila, natipon po tayong lahat at nagkaroon tayo ng election. My fellow new elected alumni officers of this college, fellow alumni from different batches, especially batch 77, the batch where I belong, and to those alumni who went home to witness tonight's oath-taking ceremony and join the victory party. The faculty members, friends, and family, Thank you all for being here tonight. It is both an honor and a profound privilege to stand before you as the newly elected president of our Alumni Association. Let me begin by welcoming everyone who has taken the time to join us. Whether you traveled from near or far, your presence means the world to us. This gathering is a powerful reminder of the enduring bonds we share, formed in classrooms, on campuses, and through countless shared experiences over the years. To my fellow officers, I want to sincerely thank you. Your passion, ideas, and dedication to our alumni community inspired me. And I hope we can continue working together to build something even greater. There is no competition in progress, only collaboration. I also want to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone who supported me throughout this journey. To those who voted me, palakpakan po inyo ang inyong sarili. Yehey! To those who encouraged me and believe in the vision I shared, this victory is not mine alone. It belongs to all of us who believe in the strength of our alumni network and its potential to make a difference. To the outgoing leadership team, thank you for your service and for laying a strong foundation. I look forward to building upon your legacy with humility and determination. Today marks not just the start of a new chapter, but a renewed commitment to community, to connection, and to giving back. Together, we will create opportunities, strengthen professional networks, support the next generation of graduates, and make sure our alumni family continues to thrive. Let's carry forward the spirit of our alma mater, not just in words, but through meaningful actions. Once again, thank you all for this incredible honor. Let's make the night a great memories to remember. Let's enjoy and have fun. Thank you, and let's get to work.
Thank you, Doc V, and congratulations po. May I also ask for your participation, Doc, for the awarding of Certificate of Recognition to the Technical Working Group.
Of course, we shall recognize hardworking individuals behind our successful events. The Technical Working Group, may I request Ma'am Helen to come on stage and help me distribute the certificates. Where's Ma'am Helen? May we now proceed with the awarding of certificates of recognition. Allow me to read the citation. Marinduque Midwest College, Alumni Community, Diligasan, Marinduque, Philippines. Certificate of recognition is presented to who serve as advisor of the Technical Working Group on all alumni activities leading up to the 2025 elections. Given this 9th day of June 2025 at the Marinduque Midwest College Auditorium. Signed, Jamie Rose R. Mendoza, Member, Board of Trustees and HR Officer, Marinduque Midwest College. So, may we call on Ma'am Helen? Siya po ang una kasi siya po ay matulong sa amin, sa atin. Thank you, Ma'am. Congratulations, Ma'am Helen. And now, the Wonder Woman, the Unique Woman, etc. na lahat ng adjective na para sa kanya. Let me call, will grace Palumares Maglalang. Ma'am, kindly hand in the certificate. Dapat wag lang mababa po for picture taking. Nikon Sagid. Okay. Concepcion S. Manlises. Nandito po si ma'am. Rachel Lintag. Apple May Villaruel. And Jejumar Similia. Nandito po si Sir Jejumar. Sino pong pwedeng mag-picture sa kanila?
Let us again take a moment to enjoy another wonderful song number from Miss Janelle Arneri. Yan, palakpakan naman po ulit. Gapaharana po muna ulit tayo kay Miss Janelle.
You can reach me by trailway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can reach me by caravan. Cross the desert like an married man. I don't care how you get, just get it if you can. You can reach me by sailboat, climb a tree and swing ropes and roll. Take a sled and slide down slow into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speedy coat, cross a border in a blaze of war. I don't care how you get, just get it if you can. There are hills and mountains between us, always something to get over. If I have my way, surely you won't be closer. Closer. napakagandang piyesa po ng Get Here. Ayan, next song po tayo. Sana po magustuhan ninyo. Better Days. Better Days tayo.
Silver gray hair, neatly combed in waves. Four generations of love on her face. She was so wise, no surprise. Past her eyes, she'd seen it all. I was a child, know about 3 or 4. All day I asked questions and I asked more. But whenever she never would ever turn me away. I say, how can I be sure what is right or wrong? And why does it always take so long? Please tell me where to call if I want you talk to me. I say, Grandma, what is love? Will I ever find out? What was so cool? What is life about? I wanna know the answer. All the she said, smile as she took me in. She pulled up that old rocking chair once again. But tonight she was lovely, remarkably different somehow. Slowly she rocked, looking half asleep. With my arms she spread, then she started to speak. What she told me would mold me and hold me together inside. She said, all of these your eyes, you will know someday. By you, I gotta live in a patient way. God, who does ever fade in the fate of these better days? She said, shower you're the moon in the dark of night, and no more gonna come till the time is right. When little better days is to make it true tonight. You gotta make it true tonight, yes you do. You can get to know better days unless you make it true tonight. Oh, you will see those better days, but you're gonna be patient, be patient. Oh, baby, at a turn of speed, turn me just down and give around my whole wings. Now she's flying and sliding and gliding and melting. You can get to know better days unless you make it true tonight. Oh, you will see those better days, but you're gonna be patient.
Ayan, water break po muna tayo ng slide.
Yan.
Grabe.
I feel the stolen moment is all your family and they tell. So I tried to resist being last on your list, but no other mind's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home than blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'll run away together. Love's give you the right to be free. Yes, I'll be patient, just wait a little longer. That's just an old way to say I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that feeling when you walk through the door. It's tonight, for a feeling alright. Be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. For you. For you. Ayan, thank you po. Ayan, pasensya na po kayo sa technical problem. Nakasadya po talaga nagkakaganyan minsan. Mamaya po bababa po ako dyan para masolid po natin yung last step.
Once again po sa ating mga ka-alumni who are still streaming our event tonight, paki-comment naman po ulit ang inyong lugar kung nasaan po kayo ngayon at ang inyong batch year. At paki-share na rin po sa inyong mga ka-batch na hindi po nakaka-attend ngayong gabi. Alright. So to everyone who made this event a success, thank you so much. Handa na po ba kayo sa sayawan? Ay, parang hindi pa. Handa na po ba kayong sumayaw? Ay, parang hindi pa rin. Handa na po ba kayong sumayaw? Ay, parang 2,000 tula ang iwan sumayaw. Ano po? Everyone, it is time to celebrate. The oath has been taken. The leadership key has been passed. And the victory is ours. May we continue to build bridges across batches and carry the MMC spirit wherever we go. Bago po ako matapos, mababa po ako saglit. May request po ako sa ating mga ka-alumni. Meron po akong mga atawagin. Sa pagtawag ko po sa mga pangalan nila, gusto ko pong marinig yung malakas na sigawan at pasasalamat at palakpakan. Okay po ba yon? Ay, parang hindi. Okay po ba gayon? Malapit na pong magsayawan, huwag kayong mag-alala. Promise ko po sa inyo yan. Muli po, pag tinawag ko sila, palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan po ha, yung masaya. Okay po. Gusto ko lamang pong pasalamatan ang mga sumusunod. Dahil kung hindi po sa kanila, hindi lamang po itong event natin yung hindi matutuloy, kundi yung mga nauna pa pong event. Such as yung atin pong 80th founding anniversary. Tama? Sobra po ang pinagdaanan na pag-brainstorming at lahat-lahat na ng mga taong ito. Okay po, ready na po ha? First on the list, syempre unang-una, gusto ko po munang pasalamatan. Parang gusto ko na rin sumayaw. Ano po? Of course, Marinduque News, thank you so much for the live coverage. Everyone, palakpakan naman po natin, Marinduque News. Nag-post din po sila para sa atin nung atin pong election days. Alright po. Maestro, patugtog naman pag tinawag ko po ito mga ito. Special thanks to our overall event organizer, Sir Nikon. Nasaan na si Sir Nikon? Parang tinaguan ako ni Sir Nikon. Ayun! Palakpakan naman po! Ayan. Siya din po ang may kaso dito. Napakaganda po ng design ng ating auditorium at ng stage. Siya po ang may kaso dyan. Our communication and coordination heads. Nasa na po si Miss Apple T. Villaruel and Mrs. Concepcion Manlisis. Ayan, team up po sila dyan. For our technical and logistics head, in absensya po siya ngayon, medyo may prior commitment, Sir Jojomar S. Similia. Thank you, Sir Jomar. I hope you're watching. Comment ka naman dyan. And of course, hindi naman po, hindi po kami gagalaw, hindi kami kikilos kung wala itong tao na ito. Our technical working group head, Mrs. Will Grace Maglalang. Ma'am, tayo naman dyan. Pretty in red. Okay po. And of course, everybody, your social media head and your master of ceremonies for tonight. Yours truly, Rachel Pilintag. Wishing you a wonderful night. Let the party begin! Sayawan na po!